So if you know you want to whiten your skin, you want to lighten your skin, it will glow your skin will be sparkling. You will not have one green vein. You will not have one stretch mark. You will not have any skin issue. Hello guys, welcome back again. This is HBM. Today's video, I want to talk about how you can mix your oils, what you can mix into your oil, the type of serum you should mix into your oil, how to mix it into your oil, whether it is a oil you bought from the market, maybe a glow oil, or whether it is a plant oil. But I'll be talking about how you can activate the lightening effects of your oils. So if you know you want to whiten your skin, you want to lighten your skin, then you need to watch this video to the end. When I talk about skin whitening or skin lightening, I'm talking of you doing skin lightening that will be even, a skin lightening or skin whitening that will glow. Do you understand that? And then if you're also a skincare formulator, you can actually copy out this recipe and make it for your clients to sell. So whether you're a skincare formulator or whether you're just my normal subscriber here that likes to keep our skin beautiful, then you need to watch the video too. Number one, you need a basic glow oil. Your glow oil could be in form of any over-the-counter product glow oil. We have different glow oils, body oils in the market. You can equally use oil that are suitable for face and body if you know you want to apply this oil on your face and body. So if you know you want to use this oil on your face and body, get oils that are suitable for face and body. That means oils that will not clog your pores, oil that will not break you out. I'm going to be giving example of plant oil that cannot break you out. But when it comes to over-the-counter product oil, most of those oil, they write body oils. So for them to write body oils, you cannot apply them on your face, except you're going to mix the body oils with the serum I'm going to give to you, and then you now buy any of this plant oil and then mix the oil into the plant oil that is suitable for the face. I'm going to be listing plant oils you can use on your face, okay? And I'm going to be listing those ones you can use on the face and body. Now, first oil base you need, okay? Just get your normal over-the-counter oil. We have Vaseline intensive oils, glow oil. We have different glow oil. We have Neutrogena oil. Yeah, Neutrogena oil is made with sesame seed oil. Is this sesame seed oil and other combination of oils? Neutrogena oil is very, very good. You can equally mix this oil, okay, with Neutrogena oil. We have different oils in the market. I cannot really remember, but don't worry, I'm going to be putting oils on the screen for you to see. Now, over-the-counter oils are those oils you just go to the store and you buy them. Those are the oils I am talking about. That's why I am calling them over-the-counter oils, over-the-counter product oils. So go get any oil of your choice, maybe basic oil or brightening oil or lightening oil. Even if you get a lightening oil from the market, I'm not talking of excessive whitening oil. Most of the oils, they even write whitening on them. They don't whiten, like Vit Gold oil. They'll write whitening oil. It doesn't whiten anything, okay? You can equally get Vit Gold oil. Okay, you can equally get Vit Gold oil. So get over-the-counter product oil, any over-the-counter product oil of your choice that you see on the screen. Get them. Or if you don't want to get any of this over-the-counter product oil, then go get rosehip oil, which I recommend best, because your rosehip oil is a herbal oil, is a plant oil. It will not damage your skin. Instead, it's going to repair your skin. Instead, it's going to firm your skin. Instead, it's going to help to prevent stretch mark. Instead, it's going to help to heal your stretch mark. Instead, it's going to help to heal your scar. Instead, it's going to help to regenerate new skin. Instead, it's going to help to glow your skin more than over-the-counter product oil. Please, I said so. So for me, I would prefer you get rosehip oil. Rosehip oil is a very good oil. If you don't want to get rosehip oil, you can get jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is very good. In fact, you can use jojoba oil on your kids. You can use it for them as their children oil. Now, you can also get sunflower oil. All these oil I've mentioned, you can use them for face and body. Do you understand? So you can get sunflower oil. Sunflower oil applies to be even the cheapest of them. Then you can get almond oil. But for me, I'll get rosehip oil. Now, I know some people want to ask me, can I mix this oil? You can mix them. If you want to mix them, you can mix them. Okay? Now, note that if you want to use all this plant oil, you have to Google them on Google about them. Just ask Google, because you're not a skincare formulator. You don't know oil that will clog your pores or not. So I'm just giving you tips so that it will help you to make the right choice of oils to apply on your body, especially on your face. Okay, most oils will go for your body, but for your face, most oil will clog your pores and make you break out more. Okay, so for you to make right choice of a particular oil to use on your face, please, when you want to buy a particular oil, Google it. Is this oil suitable for the face? Or you can just Google comedogenic rate of rosehip oil. As long as the comedogenic rate is 0 to 2, you can use it for face and body. Skincare formulators, I hope you're learning. So get any plant oil of your choice among these ones I've listed. Now we have our oils on ground, right? Let us talk about serums. We have 1 million different types of serums in the market, and I will also advise you, make sure you're also trying something new, because serums comes out every day. Now I'm going to be talking about a particular serum. It is called Army White serum. I'll drop it on the screen. Now I am telling you from experience, this is actually a recipe I've used and even sold to clients, and they come back to give me testimony. Your rosehip oil and your Army White oil, they go together. It will lighten your skin, from skin lightening to skin whitening if you want. Okay, it will glow your skin. Your skin will be sparkling. You will not have one green vein. You will not have one stretch mark. You will not have any skin issue. You don't need to start putting anti-stretch mark, anti-green vein in this oil. Okay, because the plant oil has already covers for those things. Do you understand? And then if you're using over-the-counter product oils like your Vit Gold oil, Neutrogena oil, you can equally add Army White serum into it. Now, why do I choose Army White serums? Especially if you're selling oil, if you're a skincare formulator, Army White serum blends well inside oil more than every other oils. Every other oils might separate, but Army White serum blends that. Even if you're selling the Glow oil, people will not notice that this oil is promixed with another oil. But most serums separate, and your customer will start telling you that these oils are separating. I am talking from experience, and because I'm talking from experience, I have plenty clients that have told me that, oh, this oil is working. And the major oil I use is Army White serum. Now, how do you mix this oil? Take for an instance, we are making 100 ml serum. This is how, sorry, we are making 100 ml body oil. This is how you should mix your oil. Get your normal basic oil, maybe over the counter product oil, or your plant oil. Get 70 ml. Army White serum is usually 30 ml. So when you combine Army White serum, which is 30 ml, with your basic oil or your base oil, or the oil that you want to use as a base, I hope you get 70%. Now combine the oil and the serum together, you're going to get 100 ml. So at that quantity of serum, which is 30%, your oil will be effective. But if you want it more effective, you can do the serum 40 ml and do the oil 60 ml. Okay, it will be more effective than the 30 to 70 you did initially. So this thing depends on how active, how potent, and how fast you want to see the results. So this is a way that you can actually mix your own whitening or lightening oil by yourself with a very potent, effective results. You're going to start seeing results. Now, like I always say, I don't think I've ever done any video on skin lightening product without not talking about skin exfoliating. You have to exfoliate your skin, okay? Make sure you're always packing the dirt that is on your skin off by exfoliating it so that whichever product you're using, you're going to see the result. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm going to see you in the next video. Please help me to like this video and share the video. Thank you so much. Bye.